Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the remote and TV so pairing can occur immediately. Insert two AAA batteries and confirm polarity. This ensures stable current and avoids intermittent disconnects. Turn the TV on and select the HDMI input running Google TV because the system must be active to accept commands. Once done, hold the remote within 1 meter to maintain a strong signal during initial setup. These quick steps prevent common failures and let you move straight into pairing. Now you'll pair the remote. Press and hold back and home together until the LED flashes. This enters pairing mode so Google TV can find it. On-screen prompts will guide you to link your Google account and accept permissions. Do this so voice and personalized features work. After linking, test basic navigation, voice search, and volume to verify functionality. If buttons lag, make sure batteries are fresh and there's no obstruction between remote and TV. These steps complete the core configuration. Finish by customizing button mappings and accessibility options in settings so the remote feels natural for you. This improves efficiency. If something still misbehaves, try a factory reset in the remote menu to clear pairing conflicts, then repair from scratch. A key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, replace batteries first. Low voltage causes erratic behavior, and then attempt Bluetooth repairing within 1 meter. If problems persist, power cycle the TV. A reboot often clears temporary software glitches and restores normal remote function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.